Cool. Let's go for the walk. Ooh, cold out here. It's actually cold out here today. This is just going to be a quick vlog. Oh, very dark. Lights are still on. Just taking doggy for a walk, and then go home and relax. Come on, Coco. Go washroom. Let's go. It's a poo and everything over there. They don't clean up after themselves. Go washroom, Coco. Go washroom. Come on, Coco, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Holy. Okay, let's go home, Coco. Go home. Let's go. Very good. Just did a quick vlog. Come on, Coco. Holy. Oh, it's cold. Go. Come on. Oh boy. That was cold. Whew. Very cold day. Hey Coco. And a very cold day. Whew. It's very cold. Wow. Didn't think it was that cold. Oh boy. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's crazy dog. There's a Coco. There's a Coco. There's a Coco. Very cold outside, huh? It's so cold outside. Very cold. There's Coco. It is very, very cold. Come on. Very cold. Very cold outside, Coco. It's cold. Well, I'm going to sign off now. I got home in one piece. It was very cold, windy. There's a ready. I was lucky she don't have to go outside. It's very cold. Ready. He's ready. Hi, Ree. That's ready. Crazy ready. Are you ready? Coco. There are two Cocos. Well, I'm signing off now. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Right, Coco? Puppy. Amazing day. And yeah, take care. God bless everybody. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.